Alright, on the bit holding collet there are two pieces to it, okay, and the bit is secured by rotating one while holding the other still. So if there's a bit in it, to remove it you need the 9 and 10 millimeter wrenches. You can grab them and put them onto the bottom and the top, and to remove the bit you would move them towards one another. I would take the bit out, and then to put a bit in, so to do the main engraving, what we'll need is the 0.1 millimeter 20 degree engraving bit right here. So we would go ahead and hold that up, and be careful because it's very sharp. And then while you're holding the bit there, you can hang on to the bottom part and then just kind of rotate the upper piece here. That should be enough to get it snug, and then you can go ahead and put your wrenches back on. And you don't want to over tighten it, so just grab them and then just, of course I did it the wrong way, grab it, okay, put them back on and rotate them away from each other just a little bit, okay? And that should hold that bit nice and secure. Alright, next thing that we're going to do, we're going to use the hardware that's on here. So this screw right here, this thumb screw, and over here this one, in order to secure our printed circuit board blank, this piece right here. Okay, so that's what we're up to next. To do that, first take the board. If you look at it, it might have a little cup to it, so maybe it's bent a little bit. So what I would do at first is to just take it, and with the copper side up, just give it a little bend, okay, so that it just has a little bit of a wave to it, okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and you want to get it underneath the washer on this side. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and push it in there and make sure that it's secured or squared right up into here. Okay, so I'm just take it and again get it underneath there and slide it until it resides right in there. And then you'll go ahead on this side, do the same thing, slide this one over until it is underneath that washer. And then you can just turn this one. We don't want to tighten the daylights out of it, but enough to hold it securely. And same with this one, we want to turn this one as well. Okay, now hopefully in tightening this, okay, that the wing nuts are kind of running parallel with the board, like this one. We really don't want to have it so that the wing nuts overhanging over here. So if you turn it, if it is a little bit over that way, just bring it back just a tad, okay, because we don't want this to end up running into it.